So in TJ Maxx, of course, Betsy Johnson with her gummy bears. That price is covered. This one has earrings, so it looks like $20. They have the earrings for $13. Oh, look, she has like St. Patrick's Day stuff. Okay, that's kind of cool. Oh, that cherry one is still around. Then you have this butterfly. Look how cute. Okay, a few earrings. I know we've seen the Mickey one, but not this one with the dangling. Those are cute. And those are $13. Okay, 13. This is the only Betsy Johnson one left. Oh gosh, getting blurry. Oh, here's the lemon one for 13. And the shell one. The butterfly ones, I think they're all gone. A few more earrings. Oh, this silver heart one will be 15. A lot of hearts. 13. This one you get 2 pair for 13 as well. Might be a little too bright, but it's always dim in here. House of Harlow, I know we've seen. And hoops, they're $15. Okay. Oh gosh, look at this popcorn one. That's funny. Okay, and it looks like some Michael Kors watches. Some of them we haven't seen, but check out those hoops by Coach for $40. And these are Michael Kors necklaces. So we have a Dooney and Burke wallet. Oh, look at these mini Steve Madden. Nautica. Here's some more Steve Madden. It looks like these little mini ones might be 10. It's kind of like my TJ Maxx and their wallet department is becoming a place where you have to dig, kind of like Ross. Tons of Nautica in here. Oh, look at that. That's a pretty color, right? For Steve Madden. We go down here. A lot of True Religion. Oh, is that it? That might be it for wallets. Some sunwear. Some of these are only $10. You know what? Martha Stewart actually has some pretty decent eyewear. She is just becoming so fashionable. Okay, DKNY. I haven't seen this tote though. It's gonna be $59.99. We're still a little, you know, they're still recuperating, I think, from the holiday season. Because that whole wall right here is empty. What is that? I just saw his face in the corner. You know what? My favorite thing to watch is the original. I was watching the original and the new one. I don't care for the new animation, but the original will always be better. And I didn't realize how crazy it was. Like they're always hurting each other, and the Tweety Bird.
That's the best part.
Yeah, no, but I didn't realize it as a kid until now that I'm older. They're so evil. Okay, and this green one. Oh, look at this mini Guess one. That's kind of cute. Getting ready for spring. It's going to be $40. I like the, you could detach that too. Oh, is this a blue one? It is. Oh, these are really pretty. I'm not too sure what this is, but it's 20. Or who makes it? A blush kiss. Very interesting bag. And again, doesn't matter the name. Ooh, I love this color. Okay. So today they had the Michael Kors backpack behind the case. No idea on the price, but I want to say maybe $150 here. Here is a canvas Dooney bag. I think we might have seen this one. It's another Michael Kors, like the ombre effect, for $150. And down here is $130. The pink one for $120. They have a stripy one. This one is Dooney for $130. I don't think I've seen this style here. Easy. Then here's a red one. And down here it looks like maybe a Brahmin. Oh, I hate how they're putting everything behind glass. You never could go wrong with buying lashes here, $3.99. Sometimes these lashes are $25 on Amazon. And they even carry very similar ones in the Dollar Tree. I don't see anything too new. I never really could find high-end makeup here, ever. Here's a Creme Shop Drippin'. It's a 9-color palette at $5.99. These are $5. Boss Lady. Looks like Ellen Tracy, maybe. Here's more Creme Shop Moonlit. Who's this one? For face and body, ABH. They really don't know like brands, just because I'm not a big like wearer on makeup, you guys, and you know that. So when I find something, you guys tell me like, oh, that's really good. I'm like, really? Oh, blush and nude color. Let me go down here. Morphe, Fierce Fairy Tale. Now, didn't Morphe close down all their stores? $17 for this one. I wanted to open this, but I can't. It's pretty sealed and I don't want to ruin it. So I don't think anybody's been in here, but normally you could tell when the packaging's really messed up, because I would check before you leave the store. And this one's $20. Kat Von D Lock-It Foundation. You know what? I did try her stuff before, but I feel like it's a little too matte. And I have like combination dry. Okay, tons of lip balm. See, like this little cute guy right here in the last video, because I found this one in Marshall's. Somebody told me it was like a really good brand. Never heard of it, but I mean, it's just cute packaging, right? Maybe my teen would like that. So hydration on the go. This one is only $13. It looks like a lip sleeping mask. There's like different steps, 1 through 5 in here. A traveling one. You know, if you need it for the airport. Ooh, what is that? $30. Let me pull this one out. It looks like there's a lot of honest. Oh gosh, I gotta pick that up. A lot of honest beauty in here. Let me move that. Before I pull this one out. So on the honest is hand cream. Okay. Water Dear Hydration Toner. This one's $5.99. Then we have a foaming body wash for $10 here. Plenty of living proof. So we have a repair mask for $17. Shampoo curl, $5.99 for styling cream. And this one's $13 for shine. It's a new face mask. I know we haven't seen this one for $5. The yogurt one is here. Dr. Jart, which is always a good find. And more Tony Moly, avocado. Oh, look at this one, banana. Have we ever seen a banana? Calm and moisturizing. That's $7. And don't be afraid of masks from here. A lot of people get really scared. Don't. I use them, and everyone's face is different. But I've never had any issues.
Some of the best ones though.
Yeah. Okay, and it looks like for Valentine, what do we have? Daily moisturizing gel. These are soap, but it looks like little bonbons, right? Like chocolate, like pink chocolate. Don't eat it. Make sure your kid doesn't eat it. Island Vanilla Body Scrub, that is $5. Oh, here is Philosophy. You can never go wrong if you want to gift that. Oh, what is down here? Totally Devoted. I just think of Grease now. Like a little bath bomb. In the shoe department, this is $17 by MIA. Kind of like a fun leopard platform. It looks like they're going to get in some new shoes because it is still pretty empty in my location. I want to say right now the place to go to is Marshall's. If you're looking for any sneaker, a sandal, they're getting like new shoes all the time. Even like your name brand ones. What is this one? Oh, someone jacked that. I was like, what is that? The Looks like they're gonna put more sandals. So new slippers by Laura Ashley. Look at this one on top by Rachel Roy, and they have the red one in the back. That is only 10. Okay, and Crocs sandals are $17. $17 for the Crocs sandals. There's one with like a Velcro backing. Okay, that's funny. The pink stuff. Okay, I hear this stuff is great for $8. This is laundry detergent. Cleaning paste. What do you... This is vegan, so you just rub it in your bathroom. $5.99. Okay. Okay, and the mugs. I don't see anything too new, just like that Easter one. The bunny, he is always here, and he is really, really cute. Kiss me. Lucky and Snoop. I like this duck. He just looks disheveled.
I think he's run over and...
He looks like he had a good day.
Put through the ringer. You know what they look like? They look like the scary stories to tell in the dark animations. With all the frizziness and the stuff.
Stitch. It looks like he had a good day playing. That's what animals should do, is play.
Ours used to.
Look at this Winnie the Pooh one. Okay, there's a Lucky Charm one. This Winnie the Pooh is $10 for him with the lid. Ooh la la for $8. It's kind of funny. And these are really nice, made in Spain for $10. Okay, we have Disney in here again for $8. But look how cute. Are these napkin rings? They're like porcelain napkin rings by Johanna Parker. They're really cute. And you get 4 for $15. These are new. Haven't seen that yet. Bunnies. Here's a Hello Kitty one. Let's say $5.99. That's cute. More bunnies in the back, you guys. I want to say this is Johanna Parker. Yep, for $10.
Does that look more like Tweety Bird or more like the duck from Tom and Jerry?
I say the duck from Tom and Jerry.
Yeah.
And then we have your bunny. How cute. And that is 10. Okay, so more bunny containers. Oh, look at this one. Has little ears on it by Coco and Lola. That's cute for $5.99. Stitch one. Have we seen a Stitch one yet? I'm not too sure. Okay, I know for a fact we have not seen Donald. What do you guys like? I like Donald and Daisy. So we have strawberry rose, candy apple, lemon raspberry. I've never tried these syrups, you guys. My daughter probably like making drinks. I just don't like buying a lot of this stuff because I feel like, you know, it says 0 sugar, and that's the only reason. Okay, I did find Easter, so $25 for this one. And of course it will light up. The only thing about Easter, they put them all on the end cap, like in a busy area. Gnomes, bunnies. This guy, 13, he is adorable. Look at this egg. The teacups and a lot of gnomes. 13. Oh, this is nice. Okay, and this one is by Cupcake and Cashmere. They look like little, they're bunny macaroon cookies. Maybe like table decor. Oh, what are these? Like little marble hearts? Those are kind of cool. They're 10. There's the elephant. Those are 10. Those are cute. Oh, look at that large one. Way in the back. Hopefully he doesn't topple over
yeah.
to the next one.
It looks like it has a base on the bottom of the wooden base.
Everything's like a plushie here. But look at this little chick. Okay, tell me we don't love this guy right here. He's so big, so cute. The alligator and the mushrooms. Ooh, really nice. Okay, the pottery with the face is here. They always change it up, so this one's new. $5.99. It's really different. I think it's like really, really cool. I do enjoy stuff like this. I was so mad because I saw a rock, like a boulder rock. It had a face on it. And I always wanted to get it. And many years ago, if you've been following me for a long time, I say, I love this rock, man. Never bought him. And now I can never find that again. And the pillows, look at the flower one for $17. The doggy one at the bottom, $17 as well. Alright you guys, I think I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. Everyone is going to the clothing department. Came in on my lunch break and I gotta get back. Please stay safe and I will see all of you in the next one.